Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this Palm Vein Smart Deadbolt for viewing purposes, and I think that it's great because, well, when we open the box, we can find the app guide and installation process and the templates on how to do the proper cleaning of the poles if you don't have them ready. I think that it's a really nice set because you can use it with your palm breathing, with a code, or with your cell phone if you need it with the app. Okay, which I think that it's really, really nice. This is the inside lock. Okay, and this is the outer part. Okay, as you can see, you get a space where you can place a key, which also comes included, which I think that it's really, really nice. That way, in case you can still being able to open up the door. Okay, we also get a battery, which I think that it's nice. All the hardware that we're gonna need to do this installation, some RF cards that can actually be used just swiping them up, which I think it's really nice. Okay, and in here we get okay, the last of the components. Okay, the proper Deadbolt, which I think that it's nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it. I do think that it seems like a simple installation that shouldn't take that much long. So let's start. I'm gonna place it right here. So let's go and see how it looks and how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, the proper installation process is actually really simple. Doesn't take that much long, which I think that it's great. You can do it all by yourself. As I've said, it comes with all the hardware that you're gonna need, and I think that it's nice because this lock, the different of other locks, it's just with your palm. You don't have to touch it, so it records your fingertip or anything, which I think that it's really nice. And that way, if for any occasion you have your hands dirty, sweaty, your fingertips are a little bit faint or worn, they can still being able to recognize it once that you place it on, which I think that it's really nice in case that it's greasy or anything at all. The rechargeable battery, it's great, and also I think that it's nice that you can control all of the, well, configurations remotely without having to get any extra hub, which I think that it's really nice. The application works perfectly, and I think that it's a really great option. Okay guys, now it's already installed up, and I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it was release installation, didn't take that much long. And well, first of all, I can unlock it with the palm. Okay, I have already configured with the application and everything, so let's test it out. Verification succeeded. Unlocked. Okay, we can listen it, and it opens up. Okay, I also set it up for that it will lock automatically after 15 seconds, but you can also adjust it at any time that you want, which I think that it's really nice. Come on, turn it. Okay. You can also unlock it with the application. I'm going to test it out. You need to long press. That's it. Without having to unlock it. You can also lock it just with this button, which I think that it's also really nice. You, as I've said, you get the RF cards, so you can just pass them like that. Or in any case that you need it, you get the keys. Right now it's locked. Okay, once again. But you can unlock it, which I think that it's really nice. Also, obviously, you get the pin codes. You can press a 6-number code that you want. Okay, you can make it up yourself if you want it, or you can get a random one, which I think that it's a nice function. And also something that I think that it's really great is that in the application you get the lock with all the opening records that you get. Okay, it will set a notifications if you have them enabled, so that once that someone enters the passcode and it's correctly or incorrectly, it will send you a notification depending on what it is. And another thing that I think that it's really nice is that you can set temporary passwords if you want it, like just for a space of effective time, which I think that it's really nice. You can customize it. It can be even dynamic. And another thing that I think that it's great is that you can get a special passcode if you want it, so that when someone press that code, it will send an alert that someone is trying to hijack it. Okay, so you get one code that you can make, so that you make sure that it ain't the actual code that you can, well, in the case, use it. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. Overall, I think that it's great. It's a really complete set, and I think that it's really nice that everything comes included. All the hardware that you're gonna need, and it works perfectly. And I will really recommend it. So you guys,